Hello. Mimetic desire, a concept rooted in the work of French philosopher René Girard, explores how human desires are shaped and influenced by the desire of others. The phenomenon manifests in various forms, including material desires, social states, romantic aspirations, and cultural trends, reflecting the interconnected nature of human motivations. As social beings, our aspirations are often driven by observations and imitation, leading to competition and rivalry in pursuit of what others value. In the digital age, social media has become a powerful catalyst for mimetic desire, amplifying its effects and dynamics. Platform, Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok facilitate the rapid information sharing the connection, allowing users to observe and imitate the desires of their peers and influencers. This interaction triggers psychological responses that reinforce desire, shaping behavior in profound ways. Understanding the different types of mimetic desire, along with the internal and external mediators that influence them, is crucial in analyzing how desires are formed and propagated in contemporary society. Additionally, recognizing the positive aspects of social media, such as connectivity, community building, and creativity, highlights its potential to foster meaningful interactions and drive social change. And creativity highlights its potential to foster meaningful interactions and drive social change. However, it's essential to balance these benefits with an awareness of the potential drawbacks to maximize the positive impact of social media in our lives. This exploration of mimetic desire and its relationship with social media provides insights into the complex interplay between individual, individual motivations and collective influences in shaping our culture landscape. So, question now is what kinds of mimetic desire or what are the examples of mimetic desire? Mimetic desire can manifest in various forms and contexts. Here are some common types of mimetic desire. Material desire. This involves wanting a physical objects or goods that others possess. For example, people may desire luxury items, gadgets, or cars because they see others valuing them. Social status. Individuals may strive for social recognition or status based on what others aspire to. This includes wanting to belong to certain social groups or gain prestige through achievements. Romantic desire. People often become interested in someone romantically because they see others pursuing the person, leading to competition and rivalry. Aspirational desire. This occurs when individuals adopt goals or ambitious based on the success or aspirations of others, such as career paths or lifestyle choices that are popularized by influencers or peers. Culture trends. Mimetic desire can drive trends in fashion, music, or entertainment where people want to align themselves with what others are enjoying or valuing at a given time. Ideological desire. This involves adopting beliefs or values because they are popular or entrusted by influential figures, leading to collective movements or change in social norms. Each of these forms of mimetic desire highlights how interconnected human motivations can be and how social influence shapes what we want. Mimetic model can vary based on how they illustrate the spread and influence of ideas, behaviors, and desires among individuals and groups. Here are some common types of mimetic desire. The relationship between mimetic desire and social media from a psychological perspective can be understood through several key points. Neurochemical responses. Social media interactions often trigger the release of neurochemicals such as dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and reward. When users receive likes, comments, or shares on their posts, it creates a sense of validation and reinforces their desire to engage further. This reinforces mimetic desire, as individuals may want to imitate behaviors that lead to these rewarding experiences. Social comparison. The psychological effects of social comparison can influence mimetic desire. Viewing others' cur- curated lives on social media can lead to feelings of inadequacy or aspirations. The social comparison can activate the brain's reward pathways, encouraging users to desire what they see others having or achieving, whether it's material possessions, experiences, or social status. Mirror neurons, neurons, neurons and imitation. Mirror neurons in the brain play a role in imitation and empathy. When users see others expressing certain desires or engaging in specific behavior on social media, these neurons may activate, leading to psychological drive to mimic those behaviors. This can enhance mimetic desire, as individuals are more likely to want what they observe in their social circles. Fear of missing out, or FOMO. The psychological stress response associated with FOMO can heighten mimetic desire. When users see others enjoying experiences, products, or relationships, it can trigger anxiety and a sense of urgency to obtain those same experiences, further driving mimetic behaviors. Group dynamics and in-group bias. Social media facilitates the formation of groups and communicates based on shared interests. The psychological aspect of belonging, driven by the brain's reward system, can enhance mimetic desire. Individuals may desire to adapt the behaviors or preferences of their in group to maintain social cohesion and acceptance. Feedback mechanisms. Social media platforms often use algorithms that promote content based on engagement, which can lead to echo chambers. This reinforces certain desires and behaviors within a community, as users are repeatedly exposed to similar ideas, leading to psychological reinforcement of this desire. So, social media acts as a catalyst for mimetic desire by leveraging psychological responses related to reward, social comparisons, imitation, and group dynamics. This mechanism create an environment where desires are not only shared but amplified, influencing behaviors on a larger scale. The distinction between external and internal mediators of mimetic desire can help clarify how desires are formed and influenced. Here is an overview of the two types. So, the external mediators of mimetic desire are factors outside the individuals that influence their desires. This include social media, culture, and environmental factors that shape what people want based on their interaction with others. On the other hand, internal mediators of mimetic desire are psychological and emotional factors within the individual that influence their desires. These include personal motivations, values, beliefs, and cognitive processes. So the key difference here is source of influence. The key differences here are external mediators, like influence comes from outside the individual, social interactions, culture, context, while internal mediators, influence arises from within the individual, personal values, emotional status, nature of desire for formation. External mediators can be like a desires are often shaped by observation and social feedback. Internal mediators desires are influenced by personal introspection and internal motivations. Example for the external, wanting a trendy item seen on social media because it's popular among peers. Internal, wanting a particular book because it aligns with one's personal interest or goals. Understanding this distinction helps in analyzing how desires are formed and propagated in social contexts, and how individuals may respond to various influences in their pursuit of what they want. On the other hand, social media has several positive aspects that can significantly benefit individuals and society. Here are some key advantages. First one, connectivity and communication. Social media platforms allow people to connect with friends, family, and colleagues regardless of geographic distance. This fosters relationships and helps maintain connection that might otherwise diminish over time. Access to information. Social media serves as a powerful tool for sharing and accessing information. Users can stay updated on news, trends, and developments in various fields, from politics to health and technology. Community building. Social media enables individuals to find and join communities with shared interests, values, or experiences. The sense of belonging can provide support, encouragement and platform of collaboration, empowerment, and activism. Social media has been instrumental in mobilizing social movements and raising awareness about important issues. It allows individuals to voice their opinions, advocate for change, and support causes they care about. Creativity and self expression. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube allow users to express their creativity through art, music, writing, and more. This encourages artistic